Okay, so when it comes to the unboxing experience, this was pretty much simple. In the box you can find the receiver itself, a charging cable. This is a micro USB. This was announced in 2017, so I kinda get it. Then you can find the headset itself. Getting straight to the review, I love the all black color. The glossy part isn't really my favorite, but that is just me. The design looks simple, it feels steady and adjustable. It has a clicky extension panel for easy adjustment. Plastic build, but in general feels good. On the left side you can find the power on slider, a volume wheel, a customizable G button, and a USB port for charging. Everything looks and as important feels okay off the headset. I wish this could fold, but at least it swivels so you can place it around your neck when you decide to take a break. This is a fully wireless headset, so it doesn't come with any connectors in the box. The wireless range is about 15 meters and stays connected really well and even works perfectly well when I move to the next room. About comfort, I tried this on playing games for a couple of hours over the weekend and these were pretty much comfortable. Coming in at 350 grams, they never felt heavy on my head. Didn't experience a lot of heat around my ears from prolonged usage. Generally, these were great. The cushions were soft and has this material texture and allows breathing whilst wearing it. It does feel plush to the face. For sound, these sound great for a gaming headset. Having the Pro G40mm drivers, these have good surround sound and renders gameplay a delightful experience. Good enough to hear the footsteps of your enemies when you decide to play Call of Duty or any intensive gameplay. It has good ambient effect too. I tend to switch to stereo mode anytime I decided to listen to music as it felt better that way. It also does a decent job at preventing outside noise with the ear cups and the same for the microphone. The microphone hides nicely on the side and has a short adjustable region for you to easily adjust it to fit your needs. Testing the microphone quality, here is a quick sample.
Okay, so this is what you get straight out of the microphone. This is the sound from the G533. This is what you get out of the microphone. This is supposed to be a noise cancelling microphone, so it's supposed to do a good job at separating my voice from the surrounding echo. I'm actually in an echoey room, so let me know what you think about that, considering the fact that I'm in an echoey room. So while I was gaming, my colleagues felt the sound from this microphone was decent. Let me know what you think about that too in the comment section. I like the placement of the microphone. You can actually adjust it so you can bring it closer to your mouth if that is what you want. So basically this is a sound test from the microphone. Let's get interactive in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Let's go.
This still picks up a little bit of background noise, but in general I think these are one of the good microphones I've tried on a gaming headset out there. So what do you think about the quality? Let me know what you think about the quality in the comment section. Batteries on here provide you about 15 hours of playtime, so can easily take you throughout a day of use. Throughout the weekend, I didn't actually charge this, so I think you can say that is true. To summarize this up, at release date, this was being sold for about $150, but if you want to pick up one now, you can actually get one of these for about $60, which I think is a solid deal for all that this headset provides. So if you're thinking about picking up a gaming headset now without breaking the bank, you can actually consider getting one of these. This brings us to the end of the review. If you enjoyed this video and you're new to this channel, I highly recommend that you hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you get notified the next time I upload a video. Drop a like on the video, leave in the comment section your view, comments or anything like that. I'm always hanging out with you. Thank you for spending time with me and I'll see you in my next one. Peace, I'm out.